Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get Stripe instant payouts. If you're using Stripe to process payments, waiting days for payouts can slow down your cash flow. That's where instant payouts come in. Stripe instant payouts allow you to transfer your available balance to your bank account or debit card within minutes instead of waiting for the standard payout schedule. To begin, it's important to understand how instant payouts work on Stripe and what requirements you need to meet before you can use this feature. Instant payouts are only available in supported countries and require that your account is fully verified. This means your business details, identity information, and bank account or debit card must be properly set up and approved. Another key requirement is that instant payouts typically work with eligible debit cards or bank accounts. In most cases, Stripe sends instant payouts to a debit card rather than a traditional bank account, depending on your region. You also need to have an available balance in your Stripe account. Funds that are still pending or under review cannot be paid out instantly. Stripe may also apply certain limits to instant payouts. These limits can include minimum and maximum payout amounts, daily or rolling payout limits, fees for each instant payout transaction. There is usually a small fee charged for using instant payouts, which varies depending on your country and currency. Once you meet all the requirements, you can move on to actually triggering an instant payout. To do this, log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Balances section. This is where you can see your available and pending funds. Inside the Balances page, you'll see an option labeled Payout. Click on this button to initiate a payout from your available balance. When the payout window opens, Stripe will give you options for how you want to receive your funds. If your account is eligible, you'll see the option for Instant Payout. At this stage, you can enter the amount you want to transfer and select your payout method, such as your linked debit card. To better understand your limits, go to the search bar within your Stripe dashboard and type Instant Payouts. This will take you to the Help or Settings section where Stripe displays your payout eligibility, limits, and any restrictions that apply to your account. Here you can view details such as your current instant payout limits, whether you're eligible for higher limits, any requirements needed to increase your payout capacity. In some cases, Stripe may automatically increase your limits over time as your account builds a history of successful transactions. After reviewing your limits, return to the payout window, confirm the amount, and proceed with the instant payout. Once confirmed, the funds are typically transferred within minutes, depending on your bank or card provider. To summarize, Stripe Instant Payouts let you access your funds quickly instead of waiting for standard payout schedules. You just need to make sure your account is verified, your balance is available, and your payout method is eligible. From there, simply go to your balance section, click the payout option, choose Instant Payout, and check your limits through the search bar to manage how much you can transfer. Once everything is set, you can receive your funds within minutes and keep your business running smoothly. And that's how to get Stripe Instant Payouts. By meeting the eligibility requirements, navigating to your balance section, and selecting the Instant Payout option, you can transfer your funds quickly instead of waiting for standard payout schedules. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.